Meaning of essay.
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 Essay. The suffix essay is used to describe the language, country, or people of a particular region. It is often added to the end of words that refer to countries or regions, such as Chinese, Japanese, or Vietnamese. The use of essay in this context derives from the French word ace, which means in the style of. While sometimes considered controversial due to its potential for stereotyping and oversimplification, essay remains a commonly used suffix in English to describe various cultures and languages across the world.